Good afternoon, everyone. Today in my mail, I received my Thredup clean-out kit. It's taken about a week to get here. And I started to open it up and I thought, well, let's make a video. So we'll do that next. So, this is the Thredup clean-out kit. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I didn't expect that it'd be a little bit more than an envelope. So let's see what's inside of it. One bag. One big bag. And it has a USPS parcel smart post returns label on it. So it's ready to go. And a brochure. Smart closet start here. And it basically goes through what we accept items that are clean from a name brand, on trend, less than 5 years old, in excellent condition, jeans, shoes, activewear, holiday, handbags, outerwear. They don't accept, they don't accept missing labels or sizes, pitting or fading, missing or broken parts, tears, rips or holes, stains and odors, shrunk, stretched or altered, formal gowns, fur or other specialty items. And then it goes on about do some good, help the environment, blah, blah, blah. And then it talks about what you do. You fill your bag, send it off, or you can leave it for your mail carrier to pick up, or take it to a USPS location. And then you wait. And that's it. Oh, it's got a stain removal guide on the back. And that's that. So I guess I'll have to be reaching out to my friend Valerie, who is also known as the Chick Picker. She has a morning show Monday through Fridays, 9 Eastern time on her channel, Chick Picker. Be sure and check her out. And as I said, I'll have to pick out some stuff and see what she has to say about it. Because I've got about 6 or 7 big contractor bags full of clothes that have come out of storage units. And there's a lot of good brands in there. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.